Hey, welcome back. Today we'll see how to crochet this evil eye card charm. For this we'll need a 3mm crochet hook, one lighter, one scissor, some fiber and these acrylic yarns. Let's start by making a magic ring with black color acrylic yarn. Now make 2 chain and add 12 double crochet into this magic ring. Pull the ring tight and join it with a slip stitch. For round 2, change the yarn color to light blue. Make 2 single crochet in each stitch around. At the end of this round, you will get 24 stitches. Now join it with a slip stitch. For round 3, continue with blue color yarn and follow this pattern. In first stitch add 2 single crochet, in second stitch add 1 single crochet. Repeat this pattern all around and total you will get 36 stitches at the end of third round. For round 4, change the yarn color to white. Now follow this pattern, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch, again another single crochet in the second stitch, and in the third stitch make 2 single crochets. Repeat this pattern all around and in total you will get 48 stitches at the end of this. Now slip stitch and continue with white color yarn. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. Total stitches at the end of this round will be 48 only. Moving on to round 6, change the yarn color to dark blue. Again make 1 single crochet in each stitch all around and in total you will get 48 stitches. For round 7th, slip stitch and follow this pattern. Make 3 single crochets and then increase, which means 1 single crochet in the first stitch, again another single crochet in the next stitch, again 1 more single crochet in the third stitch, and now make 2 single crochets in the fourth stitch. Repeat this pattern all around. Now slip stitch and make 2 of these. Now place the pieces together and attach them with this method. Now fill it with some fiber and close completely. Make a chain of 80 stitches and attach both the ends to the evil eye. Burn all the frizzes with a lighter and it's ready to use. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down if you need a tutorial of this charm or any other product. See you in the next one.